you left, like they forgot how to move on. Curtains barely breathe at night, as if they're scared to carry you gone. Your name sits quiet on my tongue. I don't say it, but it stays, like a prayer I never learned, still echoing through my days.